You run the installation file. You follow the on-screen steps. Once the installation is done, you allow filmora to run. And then you go to Effects. On the left side, you locate Boris effect. A pop-up will come asking you to download. So you have to download the Boris effects. Over here to create a new folder called Boris FX. Like this video if it has been helpful to you. Also subscribe for more tips and tricks. Share with your friends, and in the comment section you can let me know if there are any tips and tricks you want me to do videos about. Thank you.